is my bond. And I'm one leader in this country who, if I say my word, and I think it has been tested over time, when I said in 2002, because the push that time was Mzee Moi, Bishop Tumwesing, you remember. Everybody said, Kalonzo, my friend Mudavadi was vice president. No, he wasn't. Before he became vice president for 3 months. Okay? And then there was Mzee Moi akaamua on the Mombasa Road. I remember in Chumvi I said in 202, mimi sitingiziki. My word was my bond. As it was in 2002, so it shall remain into the next phase of this country's political economic development. So that we can end up with a nation we call a proud nation. A Kenya, we can all feel we belong. And that is wonderful. Continue, Bishop, with your work. And so on Monday, even President Uhuru Kenyatta called me surprised. So he kasema hata Uhuru amebelieve hii maneno. Amebelieve hii maneno. I think the idea was to make Uhuru the convener of this new conversation. William Ruto ni mjanja kweli. Ataka kunasa kila mtu hapo. Amenaza Mudavadi, amenaza Weta, mimi sitanazwa. Asanteni sana. That's with a light note. Now, Senator, I think a few leaders may want to say one quick greeting